Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at how to find the expected value and the variance of a negative binomial distribution. So we're going to work through example 1 and example 2, and then we'll try some exam style questions. If you want to work along with me, you can download a copy of this PDF from my website. I'll leave a link below. So we're given in the EdXL formula booklet, x is distributed negative binomially with a number of successes r and a probability of a success p, that the expected value of this, or the mean of this distribution, is r over p, and that the variance is r times 1 minus p over p squared. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use each of these equations. So for example 1, we're told that x is distributed negative binomially with a value of r equaling 4, so this is 4 successes, and a probability of a success as 0.2, so this is our value of p. So to work out the expected value of x, we can use this equation where we've got r, which is the 4, divided by the p 0.2. And 4 divided by 0.2 is equal to 20. Okay? So this means that we would expect to get the 4th success on our 20th trial. If we look at the variance, well, this will be the r, 4, multiplied by 1 minus p over p squared. So this will be 4 lots of 0.8 over 0.2 squared. We can work this out and we get 80. So this will be our variance on that distribution. Do you want to try question 2? So we're told that r is unknown and that p is a 0.25 and that the expected value is 32. So this will be the r divided by p. We can move this 0.25 to the other side, and a quarter of 32 is 8, and this will be our number of successes r. Okay? Let's try 2 more questions. So for example 3, we're given that h is distributed negative binomially with 6 successes, and this is our r, and a probability of p. And we're given that the variance of h is 540. We've been asked to work out p. So we're going to use this equation here. Do you want to try this question yourself? Okay, so we've got the 540 will equal r, which is 6, multiplied by 1 minus p over the p squared. So all we need to do is set up a quadratic and then solve that equation. So we'll move a p squared to the left-hand side, and this will equal 6 minus 6p. And then we can make this equal 0, so 540 p squared plus 6p minus 6 will equal 0. We can factor out the 6, so we get 6 lots of 90p squared plus the p minus 1. We'll divide both sides by 6, so 90p squared plus p minus 1 will equal 0. And we can factorize this to 10p minus 1 and 9p plus 1. So our solutions will be p equals 1/10, making this equal 0, and p will equal negative 1/9. But we know the probability cannot be negative, so our solution must be 1/10. Okay? Let's try one more question. So in example 4, we're given that w is distributed with negative binomially with a number of successes r and a probability of success p. We're given that its expected value is 25 and its variance 53.125. We've been asked to calculate the probability of getting the rth success on the 10th go. So do you want to try this question yourself? Okay, so We know the expected value of W is 25, so 25 will equal R over P. And we know the variance of W is this, so 53.125 will equal R times 1 minus P over P squared. And what we can do is we can rearrange this equation to find R. This will be 25P. Then substitute this expression for R into the equation for variance. So 53.125 will equal 25P times 1 minus P over the P squared. And then we can cancel this P with this P squared, and then move that over to the left-hand side. So we get 53.125 P. We'll expand out this bracket for 25 minus 25P. And then we can move this over to the left-hand side. So 78.125P will equal 25. So P will equal 25 divided by 78.125, which is 0.32. Now we know P, we can substitute this into our equation for R. So we'll have 25 times P, which will give us 8 successes. Okay? So now we can define W is distributed negative binomially with 8 successes and a probability of 0.32. And we want to work out a probability of W equaling 10. This means we get our 8th success on the 10th go. And to work this out, we need to use a probability function for a negative binomial. And we're given this in the EdXL formula booklet. The probability of W equaling 10 will be W minus 1 times R minus 1 multiplied by P to the power of 8 multiplied by 1 minus P to the power of 2. We can work this out and we get 0.00183. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and the PDF that accompanies this video from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link below.